everyone, my name is Camryn. I'm a student here at the Aveda Institute of Des Moines, and today on my model Kylie, I'm going to be showing you a fall makeup look that you can transition from day to night. The first step is to prep the skin. For that, I'll be using the Tulisara Bright Concentrate. So now that we've prepped the skin, I'm going to start on the eye makeup. By doing this first, we can swipe away any fallout that may occur. So next, I'm going to set the eyelids with the translucent powder just to prevent any oil that may occur throughout the day. Now that we've set the lids, we can start applying the eyeshadow. I'm going to first start with a neutral base color that will fit Kylie's eye color. For my next step, I'm going to be taking a darker color and adding that to the crease and outer corner for depth. So now that the daytime look is completed, we can apply the rest of our face makeup. To transition this look from day to night, we'll be adding some darker shades to the eyes, as well as eyeliner and a pop of highlight to the cheeks. To darken up the eyes, I'm going to be applying the darkest shade in the eyeshadow trio, just to the outer third. Next, I'll be applying a black eyeliner. You can apply this in any style. Today, I've chosen the wing shape for Kylie. For the final step, we'll be applying some highlighter to the high points of the face. And now that we've applied the highlighter, she's all ready for her nighttime look.